guys, welcome back to another candycoat unboxing video. Hang on, today you guys are getting a 2-in-1 special. So not only am I doing a candycoat unboxing, I am also going to be reviewing another subscription box that I found. Now y'all don't say that I don't love you, because I've gone out and I found another subscription box that I thought you might like to see. So the second one is from Clawculture, and I will be giving you my thoughts on that one in a little while. So first, back to candycoat. So this one is the July box. Yes, July. We're in July now. It's the July box. So as you can see, it is summer themed. Really fun. We have got a little inflatable unicorn, some butterfly decal stickers for the nail, some very funky sunglasses. By the way, my son has owned those. He decided he's having them and that's it. So yeah, he's now the owner of a very funky pink pair of sunglasses. So you've got your usual 3 swatching sticks, and of course you've got your tools, which I've just shown you, a little mini file, and we've got our 3 gel colors. These ones are really bright and very summery. I am in love with them. I have got a vast amount of pinks, so this one is going to be much welcome to the collection. So the first one we're going to do is the silver one, and this is G034. This is really glittery, and oh my gosh, it is so sparkly. I'm really looking forward to using this. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'll think of something. So yeah, there we go. I'm going to go in with 2 coats as usual. Sorry, my camera is having a little funny moment there. Yeah, as I was saying, 2 coats, and then you guys can see what the end result looks like. And here we have it, all 3 colors swatched with 2 coats, and I did a top coat as well just for extra measure. As you can see, really lovely summer vibes. So I'm just going to show you again what I got in this month's box. So you've got obviously the 3 gel colors, you've got the swatching sticks, you've got the lovely unicorn, which my son blew up for me whilst I was doing this video, your mini nail file, your tools, the funky sunglasses, some butterfly decals, and there we go. A nice little unicorn. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. Maybe I might stick my phone in it or something. But yeah, it's giving me the impression that I need to get a paddling pool. So here we go. Next one is Clawculture. Now I got this box quite a little while ago, but I just thought I would do the 2 videos together so you guys can compare to see what they look like, and I'll give you my thoughts on these in a minute. So opening up the box, it's a lovely beautiful box with loads of paper and everything inside. So I'm just going to show you what I got inside this one. So first off, I got cuticle remover, and I had to go and drop it. I don't usually use a lot of cuticle remover because I've got a little tool that I use to remove cuticles, but you know, it's all great anyway. It'll be used. And you've got like a little buffer to shine up the nails. And in this one as well, you got some decals. with instructions on the back on how to use them. These ones are quite funky, they look quite leopard print. And then we've got some bling bling, crystal bling for the nails. Again, I don't have a lot of this. I don't know if I will use it, but you know, if somebody does want bling, then at least I know I've got it. And in this one as well, you have got a color card. Now, the difference between this box and candycoat is that with this one, you get to choose what colors you want. So when you know your subscription is coming up, you need to email them and just let them know what 3 gel polishes you want for the month, and they will stick that in the box for you. So that's quite nice. That's different as well from candycoat, the fact that, you know, you get to choose your colors. The one thing that I do find with candycoat is that over a while, like I did say just previously, is that I've got a lot of pinks. I love pink, is not a huge thing for me, but not everybody's a pink sort of person. So with this, it's nice that you can get to kind of choose your own colors. If you want something darker, you can, and also you get to look at the colors that you don't have, and you can sort of like customize it to get colors that you do need. So the first one, I'm so sorry, I'm really struggling with my camera here. I think I have mentioned before that it is a new camera and I'm still getting to grips in using it. So yeah, that's why you can see the background changing, because I kind of figured that maybe the camera was trying to focus on the wrong object. Anyway, here we go. So this one is Starry Night. I think the first one I just did for you was Hokey Pokey. This one is Starry Night. Again, this one is quite dark. I actually really love this one because it's so glittery and just full of shimmers. So yeah, I'm gonna do 2 coats of each on all of these so you can have a look at them to see what they all look like. So yeah, back to comparing the 2 boxes. You don't get swatching pop sticks with these ones, so luckily I did have some and I was able to swatch the colors for you, whereas candycoat do provide the swatching sticks. Obviously with both boxes you've got like little decals and stickers and things like that, just to, you know, customize the box a little bit. Sorry, forgot to mention this one is called Jupiter. Yeah, so yeah, can't remember what I was saying now. Anyway, oh yes, you do get, you know, like little stickers, and you know, like with this one I got like gems and stuff like that to be able to customize your nails, which is really nice. It's nice getting a little surprise every month and, you know, kind of like wondering what you're going to get in your box, but also at the same time it's nice knowing what colors you are going to get, so you don't have like, you know, massive amounts of the same kind of color. And actually, interestingly, since I got this, I did have quite a few clients who wanted to use these on their nails, so that was really nice. Okay, price wise between the 2 boxes, candycoat worked out just a tiny bit cheaper because you don't have to pay for postage, whereas with clawculture you do have to pay for postage, so that bumped it up to a little bit. I think candycoat is £15 a month, and this one with the postage worked out at about £18. I think it was less than £19 for sure. I want to say £18. So anyway, those are the 3 colors. Really stunning, very opaque, you know. I'm in love with them. I'm actually really blown away. So that's it. There's my 2 subscription boxes for you guys. Let me know what you think down below. And lastly, I've just got a quick comparison between the 2 boxes so you can have a read to see which one you think is best.